Best Tech of 2025? Look no further. This video reveals the top 5 must-have gadgets that are revolutionizing the tech world. Want to get your hands on these amazing devices? Check out the links in the description below for the best deals. From groundbreaking wearables to stunning displays, we've got it all covered. The future of tech is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2 takes rugged smartwatches to the next level with enhanced durability and new features. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM5 Wireless Headphones deliver an unparalleled audio experience with industry-leading noise cancellation. Number 3. Experience breathtaking visuals with the Samsung S9 5C QD-OLED TV, setting a new standard for picture quality. Number 4. Capture stunning aerial footage with the compact and powerful DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, perfect for capturing life's adventures. Number 5. The innovative Nothing Phone 2 stands out with its unique design and impressive performance. This top 5 list has something for everyone, so stick around to see which gadget is crowned the best of the best. Don't miss out on the tech revolution. Subscribe for more top tech reviews and updates.